Welcome back to Brazen Brits. My name is Lawrence.
And I'm Natalie.
And today is a special occasion because we have a channel here. They're called 4T. They're not. They're called Tree Talk of the Traveller. But I really think that 4T is really good. So can you comment below if you think they should change your channel name? Anyway, we're here because we're camping at the same place. You will recognise Jonathan and Beckett from our collaboration series if you watch those. And we're camping at the same place and they said, hey, we don't really think you're British, so if you head over to their channel you can see a video, after you've watched this obviously, you can see a video where they asked us a bunch of British questions to see how British we were. And I'm not telling you how it went. But anyway, we thought we'd do the same thing with them. So let's roll the intro and then I'll ask them a bunch of really weird questions.
Really makes me wonder.
Okay, are we ready? Are you ready, guys?
Yeah, we're ready. We're ready.
I guess we'll have to be.
I'm confident.
Question number 1. Where is the world's largest ball of twine located?
It's got to be somewhere like that, like nowhere goes there.
Yeah,
That's like the wacky tourist stuff.
Yeah, I think she should.
I thought Iowa immediately, but I
did
feel
they show that on vacation, the first vacation?
I'm pretty sure they had it on Gravity Falls as well.
All right, well let's give a guess.
What's your guess? I can tell you that Natalie got this right when I asked her.
Oh, wait a minute, they just did a Route 66 trip.
Yeah, that's not fair. That's not fair.
So maybe they saw it somewhere on that.
Nebraska.
Nebraska. All right, we'll go with Nebraska.
Nebraska.
You were right, it was Kansas.
Should have gone the first one. Always go with the first answer.
We were so close. Okay, Nebraska's not that far.
All right, there is a time limit on this one.
A time limit?
Yeah, because you can figure it out if you have too much time. Ready? Question number 2. What is the only letter that doesn't appear in any of the 50 states' names?
Beckett.
Off the top of my head, X.
What about Q?
No, New Mexico. Q.
X does, so it's there.
Q. I think Q is right.
Q is the right answer. Well done.
You're doing well. You're American so far. That's handy. Wow, 50.
The thing is, Beckett's actually, you're only 50% American.
In real life, yeah.
In real life, because your mum is German, right? So you're 50% German. Okay, Natalie.
Okay, sorry. The United States is the 3rd most populous, is that the right word?
Yeah.
Okay, country in the world. Who is the 1st and 2nd?
China and India.
In which order?
Right now?
Actually, right now, India overtook it like a couple months ago.
This kid is the most intelligent kid I've ever met. Which is the only state divided by 2 time zones?
Well, we know
Tennessee.
that
Tennessee.
Kentucky's divided by 2 time zones.
Tennessee is 2 time zones as well. Remember, it
So
runs through.
there must be 2 then. Well, yeah, you're right. Tennessee is divided by 2 time zones. So it's going to be Tennessee and Kentucky.
We're gonna scrap this one because apparently my
Intel is wrong.
yeah, my intel's wrong. Thank you, Chat GPT. The answer is apparently Tennessee,
And Kentucky.
Kentucky, and Alaska.
And Alaska.
Yeah, Alaska, because the international date line runs along it.
What is the largest man-made lake in the world?
Lake Mead?
I literally hate you. Alright, I love this question, but now I doubt my accuracy on whether this is right or not. But which symbol of American freedom has a typo in it?
Ooh.
American freedom with a typo. I mean, probably either Declaration or of Independence or the Constitution.
I don't know.
I did say symbol, not document.
It could be the dollar bill.
It could be Statue of Liberty.
Or maybe there's like a maybe there's something in like Latin on like a dollar bill that's wrong or something.
Let's go with this. This is a symbol. I think you would have to say either like a crest or a statue.
Yeah.
Or,
so
let's say the Statue of Liberty.
Statue of Liberty.
It is the Liberty Bell.
Oh.
And we should have known that. We've seen the Liberty Bell.
Oh.
Yeah. And did you know it had a typo in it?
I did not.
Apparently it does. I can't remember what it is. Instead of land, it says lant. And they think that it was a typo because the person who designed the bell was not very good at spelling. However, other people have said no, he did it on purpose as a screw you, Britain.
I mean,
it's interesting.
So they didn't want to use English, apparently. Question number 7, we only have 8, so you got 2 more.
All right. How many aircraft carriers does the USA have?
I'm not a military guy, so.
Oh, I have no idea. Can't be a bunch of them because we have more than anybody else. I know that.
Correct.
But for me, it could be anything from 1 to 20, so or more. I'd just say, let's just go 20. No, it can't be that many. Let's go 14.
Oh, that was so close.
That was close. 14's a good guess. It's 11.
Oh.
Natalie's guess was 400. So, do you know which country has the most after the USA?
China, probably.
Do you know how many they have?
No idea.
2. Interesting facts.
I think they're going to get this one.
Yeah.
If they don't, not American if they don't get this one.
I don't know whether Americans know this. I certainly didn't know this. You definitely didn't, but I don't know whether Americans would or not.
I guess we're gonna find out.
We are typical
Okay,
Americans.
let's find out whether typical Americans know the answer to who wrote the Star Spangled Banner.
Oh yeah, Francis Scott Key.
Woo!
Okay.
They win.
It's a thing.
Yeah. It's also a lawyer.
All right.
Defended Edinburgh.
Yeah. And did you know it was originally a poem?
Yes.
Yeah, he wrote it while sitting on the ship.
We learned about it in
Prisoner of
school.
War.
Really?
We learned about it in school.
I didn't know that. Okay, cool. Well, thank you very much. I would say you are American.
Well, good.
We'll take
Glad to be
it.
there.
We'll take it.
All right, don't forget, head over to their channel. It's Tree Talker the Traveller. We'll leave a link below. They're going to change it to 4T very soon, though.
That's not confirmed.
It is confirmed. I'll do it. I'll hack his computer if I have to. All right, well, thank you for watching. We're going to leave a playlist up here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can hit the thanks button because Natalie loves that, and you can hit the join button to become a Braziere and support a couple of tits, me and Natalie. Did I get everything?
And head over to their channel to watch how British we are.
I just said that, didn't I?
No.
Okay, head over to their channel so you can see how British we are, and don't forget to like and subscribe and do all the things on their channel too. All right, anything else?
No, you're good now.
All right, we'll see you next week.